object that we have to see is string object. String is used to store 0 or more characters of text within single quote or double quote. So single quotes or double quotes, they are going to work in the same way. String object is used to store or manipulate the text. Whatever value is stored is assigned to the variable, it will be stored or it will be manipulated using the string object. String object can be created in two ways. First method, where str equal to hello. That is, the text hello will be assigned to variable str. That is by string literal. That means the literal value is going to be assigned to your variable. Okay. This is the method which we have used for our examples in 11th standard also. Second method, where str equal to new string hello. In this case, we are using new keyword. New keyword n is small. In this case, hello will be assigned to variable str. Also, whenever you are writing an object, so S of the object string is capital. Okay, this is capital S, where str equal to new string hello. Okay, both these statements are going to give you the same result, but there is a different way of writing both of them. Okay. Also, one more thing, whenever we are writing these strings, here the indexing always starts with 0. So your H is going to be stored at 0 position. E will be stored at 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So any programming language, it is going to start storing the index or start storing the first alphabet from 0. It will assign the position as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You must remember this. Now let us see some properties and methods of string object. String object has one property, which is length property. It is going to return length of the string. Next, methods. First method, char at. It is going to return the character which is at some specified position. Whichever position you specify, it is going to return which character is saved at that position. Now, one important thing here again is, whenever you are writing methods, it starts with a small letter. And if there is one more word in that, then it starts with a capital. For example here, char at. So char, char, C is small, at, at, A is capital. Okay. Next, index of. I is small, O is capital. Whenever there is a different word, it always starts with a capital. This is how all the JavaScript methods are named. This is a naming convention which is used in JavaScript. Index of is going to return the index of the string that you are specifying. First index, it is going to return the first index. If this character is not present, it will return -1. Last index, it is going to return last occurrence. If not present, -1. Sub str, it is going to return the characters that you specify. For example, if you write 14,7, it is going to return 7 characters after the 14th character. Okay. Next method, substring. These two methods are very confusing. You must understand the difference very clearly. Returns the characters that you specify. 14,7 if you write, it is going to return all the characters between 7 and 14. Okay. So here it is going to return 7 characters after 14th character. Here it is going to return characters in between. Okay. So this is substr, this is substring. When we take an example, the idea will be more clear to you all. This can be asked again for your fill in the blanks, and you must know this. Next method, trim. Trim means to remove white spaces from sides of the string. White space means blank spaces. If there are any extra blank spaces in the string, trim is going to remove all of them. To lowercase converts the string to lowercase. To uppercase, it is going to convert the string to uppercase. So let's quickly see this example here. Okay, this is an example related to string object. Parallelly, I'll open the output of this also. You will see one by one the output and the code. Okay. Doc type HTML head, title, close your title, close head, body section, H1, script language is equals to JavaScript, where str is equals to JavaScript. This is by using the string literal. Literal value is going to be assigned to the variable. Next method, where str1 equal to new string, S is capital, hello. So hello will be assigned to str1. Next, document.write original string str. When we write this, it is going to print value of str1, which is hello, the first statement. Okay, next, document.write original string str. This is going to print value of str. So value of str is JavaScript. Okay, next, document.write length of string str.length. str is JavaScript, so it is going to find out length of JavaScript and print the length. So length of JavaScript is 10. If we count, we'll get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Next, document.write char at third position. str.char at 2. We are going to get V. Okay. Understood? It is going to start storing from 0. It will not start numbering from 1. Next, first position of specified character. str.index of A. So the first position 0, 1. The first position over here is 1 for E. Next, last position of specified character. str last index of A. The last index is 0, 1, 2, 3. So here we are getting the last index as 3. Okay. So index of is going to return first position. Last index is going to return last position. Now uppercase str.to uppercase JavaScript will be printed in uppercase. To lowercase JavaScript will be printed in lowercase. Next, str dot sub str 2, 3 sub str. So it is going to print 3 characters after second character. 0, 1, 2. So this is my second character and 3 characters after that. 1, 2, 3. VAS. Okay. So that is what is printed. VAS. Next one. Sub string 3, 5. So here it is going to print characters which are in between 3 and 5. 0, 1, 2 in here. 1, 2. AS. It is going to print in between the characters. A and S are between 3 and 5. So it is printing A and S. Okay. So these two examples you need to understand the difference. I hope this is clear with you all. Now just one thing I want to tell you here. If it is not present, I am taking Z which is not present. Control S and F5. When it is not present, it is returning -1, which means it is not present. Okay. Now let's take one more character. I am taking T. T is present only once. When such a case arises, the first position and last position are going to be same. In this case, it is 9. Okay. I hope you have understood this. There are different ways of creating and different properties and methods.